Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter in this 2019 Honda Civic Sport model. This has the 2-liter engine. And here's the air filter I chose with your part number. So here's the air filter box. This is a very easy process. It has these clips on the left and right side. You just pull them off like that, and then you can lift this up out of here like so, and that exposes the air filter. And just grab a hold of it, lift it up and out. This is the original filter. As you can see, it's due to be replaced. So you can see that the air filter is removed and we have all this debris in here. So what I like to do is get a vacuum and just suck all this out of here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, it looks a lot better. Okay, here's our genuine Honda filter. It was just in the vehicle, and here's our new Purelator filter. Down here, there's the Honda part number. And here's our Purelator. So go ahead and lift this up and just pop it down into place. Just like that. Towards the rear we have these 2 tabs which slide into those slots in the back. So slowly bring the lid down like so and push it down, then go ahead and latch the lid. And that's it, guys. Simple process you can do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out all of my Honda videos. Take care.